Hi, my name is Dr. Andreas Michaelides, Chief of Psychology at Noom, and I'm here to talk a little bit about eating during the holiday season. The holidays are full of connection, celebration, and yes, plenty of indulgence. But that can also be a challenge to health habits that you spend a lot of time building. Today, I want to share some simple and practical strategies so you can enjoy the holiday season while staying connected to your health goals. So the first one is to think about letting food be part of the joy. The holidays and food go hand in hand, and that's actually a really good thing. Instead of focusing on restrictions, think about what's on your plate and just be present with that. Think about what you can have. Before you eat, pause and ask yourself, am I hungry or am I just excited about all these options? When you're eating, slow down and try to focus on the dishes that you enjoy most. If something brings you joy, savor it, enjoy it. If you're contributing to a gathering, bring a dish that works for you and your goals. That way, you know exactly where that is and that you have one option that you can have if nobody else is having it. That approach lets you enjoy the moment without stressing, without overthinking, and it also lets you control something that maybe you don't have full control over. The second one is to reframe movement as enjoyment. Finding time to stay active during the holidays doesn't have to mean squeezing in a formal workout. It's about getting moving in ways that feels good and maybe is functional. Look for what fits into your day. Maybe it's a short walk after a meal, playing with your kids, or even tidying up, listening to your favorite music. Movement doesn't need to be complicated to count. Make it social. Suggest an activity like taking a walk or a hike with family or friends. Maybe they're in town, maybe you're visiting them. It's a great way to spend time together while getting some fresh air. Ultimately, what I'm trying to say is try to let go of that all or nothing mindset, which is you have to do everything the same way that you used to do it, or you can't do anything at all. That's often how a lot of people end up getting back to habits that maybe they are trying to change in the first place. The third thing is protect your energy. The holiday season can feel like it's pulling you in a million directions. That's why protecting your energy matters. Take a few minutes to reset when things feel overwhelming. Whether that's sitting quietly with your coffee, journaling, or even taking a quick breath, a small pause can make a big difference. Say no when you need to. You can't do everything, and things that you should say yes to must align with what's actually important to you. Remember, the most meaningful moments aren't about perfection, they're about connection. A shared table or a conversation often matters far more than the perfect table setting. The holidays are a time for joy and connection. By staying mindful of what feels right for you, you can enjoy the season and stay connected to the habits that support your well-being. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any thoughts or questions, leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips like these. Happy holidays, and I'll see you next time.